and sleigh bells and schnitzels with new.
Hello everybody, Monica with Handmade Bay, and today is our 9th day of Christmas for our 12 days of Christmas swap. So I'm going to go through this tutorial real quick for you. This is a very easy project, and what you will need is some cards. Now you can use some cards that you bought. All right, you can get some big boxes of cards, you know, at the discount stores if you bought some last year on discount. It really is a good thing to do. I got this for, I think I got this even just for $1 after. You know, thinking about next year, buy this kind of stuff after the holidays, and then you're all set to go for the next year. All right, now there isn't any particular size that you need. See, I have all these different sizes, and this, I actually went to a garage sale, and somebody just was giving away all their old cards, so I grabbed them, and now we can use it for this project, and we can just cover stuff up. All right, so for this card, I'm using a 4x6 index card. All right, but what you're going to do is, depending on your card size, okay, so that'll fit in there good. Now this would have to be cut down if you used it for this one. All right, so just keep that in mind, whatever you're going to do. Or you can use a regular piece of cardstock. All right, so this is how the project is. You pull it out, all right, and you can write a message on the back. This is great to include a gift card. You could tape a gift card in here, and then the person who gets it will pull it out and be surprised. Let me get this back in for you. Now, a little tip I wanted to tell you, if your card has no glitter, wherever there's snow, put some glitter on it, and it makes the card extra special. It makes it pop a little more for the holidays. All right, because these didn't have it on there. So, see a big difference there, right? Now, however you want to decorate it. And what I did here was I put some grommets on here. You don't have to do that if you don't have them. Don't worry about it. You can just hole punch and put some ribbon in, decorate it however you want. Okay, I'm just going to show you the assembling process and then decorate away. All right, so let's get started. All right, so we're going to start off with our card and our index card. Now, here's where you want to decide on where your opening is going to be, where you're going to do your pull. And that's going to be determined by the card you're using. Like with this one, you probably want to do your opening above him or in the middle where you pull his head off. I don't know. I don't know if that's a good idea, but you know, whatever you decide to do, look at your card and see where that cutoff is going to fall. All right, so determine that first. Now with this one, it's a tree. It doesn't matter where it falls. So what I'm going to do is have it fall maybe right here. So what you want to do first is find that line, and that's where you're going to start sealing this up. All right, your index card is going to be part of the pull tab, so we want to glue this part last. So decide where your cut line is going to be, and then tape below that line, or glue, whatever you got. I'm using tape. Okay, I'm going to seal it up. Now, once you seal it, just make a mark so it makes it easier for you to know where your cut line should be. So just make a mark on the, make a mark on the back. Okay, and then you're going to seal this up, just with that. We don't have to do this side because it's already sealed with the fold. Okay. Now we're going to close it up. Okay. Now what you're going to do, let your glue dry. We're going to find that spot where we wanted to make the opening, where we want to make the cut. Remember we made that line here? And I'm going to cut that opening. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, you can eyeball it too. So now what we have are two pieces. Okay, so now here's the top. And I didn't put tape here or glue here yet, because what we want to do is we need to get the index card in there, or your cardstock, whatever you're using. So now I'm going to go ahead and tape it. If I can find the end of my tape. Okay. We're going to close it here. And now we're going to go around the top. Okay. We're going to take the tape off here, or your glue, don't touch this yet. And you're going to get your index card or cardstock, line it up. You want to make sure it's in between, that it's even, okay, because you're going to need it to slide it back into this part. I'm going to tape it there. Now we're going to need another piece of tape to make the top part stick, all right, where you're going to glue again. So you put glue to attach this. Now we're going to have glue or tape to get your card in. So now let's tape the end there. We're going to close it back up. Okay. Now you've got your pull out. And now you're going to test it out. And that, it's as easy as that. Okay, now you can decorate. And this would just be fun because this will still fit in the envelopes that it came with if you decide to do this for the holidays, for mailing stuff out. I think this is a great new way to send some holiday cheer and make it your own. Easy with just some store-bought cards or cards from last year. And here I did the hole punches. I added the snow. I put some glitter on the tree just to give it a little Christmas cheer there, and a little ribbon, and you know, decorate however you want. So remember your swap partner. We're going to send these for the 9th day of Christmas, and that'll do it. All right, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.